How to recover deleted WhatsApp chat without backup. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you if we can recover deleted WhatsApp chat without backup or not. So let's find out. So as you might have seen the most of the process by simply heading over to your My Files section and just tapping on this internal storage and just tapping on this Android. And when you tap on this Android, you just have to head over to media section and simply scroll down and click on com.whatsapp and select WhatsApp once again, and from over here just select databases. So in most of the cases what people used to do is just either just rename the particular files in the databases, or they can also just copy the files from over here and paste it over to the backups folder. So that's not gonna work because WhatsApp doesn't allow anything such as databases to backups to regain your backup to your WhatsApp chat. So the way or valid option is to actually have a WhatsApp backup by simply heading over to WhatsApp and just heading over to this settings by simply tapping on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just select chats and scroll down and click on chats backup. So you just need to have a backup, otherwise there will be no other any other option to actually recover your deleted WhatsApp chat without having a backup. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.